You can expect a lot from the 2019 Toyota Tacoma. This four-door, five-passenger truck still has fewer than 30,000 miles. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and an efficient four-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, a rear step bumper, skid plates, lane departure warning, and one-touch window functionality. You and your passengers will enjoy the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Our knowledgeable sales staff is available to answer any questions that you might have. Stop in and take a test drive.